What if I told you that the first hour of your day could decide whether you lose weight this week or gain it? Most people focus only on diet and exercise, but your morning routine sets the tone for everything. In this video, I'll show you 7 easy, science-backed morning habits that turn your body into a fat-burning machine, starting from the moment you wake up. Point number 1: hydrate before anything else. Before you scroll your phone, before your coffee, drink water. When we sleep, our body dehydrates. Drinking 1 to 2 glasses of water first thing not only rehydrates you, but kickstarts your metabolism by up to 30%. Add lemon or a pinch of pink salt for added minerals and digestion support. It may seem simple, but this one habit can reduce morning cravings and improve energy all day. Point number 2: get moving. Even for 5 to 10 minutes, you don't need a full gym session, just move your body. A short walk, 5 minutes of stretching, or 20 jumping jacks gets your blood flowing and signals your body to wake up and burn fat. This low-intensity morning movement also taps into fat stores more efficiently because you're coming off an overnight fast. Point number 3: eat a high-protein breakfast, or intermittent fast. If you eat breakfast, make it count. Skip sugary cereals and go for protein-rich foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Protein reduces hunger hormones and keeps you full for hours. If you prefer intermittent fasting, that's okay too. Just make sure your first meal, whenever you eat it, is protein-packed and balanced. Point number 4: get natural light. Within 30 minutes your circadian rhythm controls your energy, metabolism, and even hunger signals. Exposing your eyes and skin to natural sunlight in the first 30 minutes of waking up resets that clock, tells your body it's time to burn, and improves sleep quality at night, which also affects fat loss. Point number 5: 2-minute mental reset. Take 2 minutes to focus your mindset. That could be journaling, a quick gratitude list, or a short breathing exercise. When you feel mentally in control, you're more likely to eat intentionally and follow through with your healthy goals. Point number 6: prep just one healthy meal. Take 10 minutes to prep just one healthy meal or snack for later in the day. This could be overnight oats, a salad jar, or portioned fruit. Knowing you already have one good option ready helps you avoid fast food or impulsive snacking. Point number 7: avoid these common morning mistakes. Don't hit snooze. Don't scroll Instagram in bed. Don't skip breakfast and then binge at lunch. These tiny decisions stack up. Instead, stack your wins. Wake up, hydrate, move, fuel, and own your day. Want to make all these habits even more effective? Pair them with a structured, step-by-step plan built for natural fat loss. I've linked a science-based training program in the description that can accelerate your results without starving or overtraining. Check it out and take your progress to the next level.